welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we are making artichoke and spinach dip. That is one of my favorites, and I'm so happy to share this recipe with you guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, I'm going to take my frozen spinach and I am going to pour it into a strainer. And I'm just gonna push it through the strainer to remove the excess water that is in here, because we do not need all that in our recipe. After removing the liquid from the spinach, go ahead and set this aside. Next, we're going to mince our garlic. Next, we're going to dice our onion. Now I'm going to take my artichoke and I'm just going to drop some right here. Now I am going to give it a rough chop. Just like so. Now take your cast iron. Over medium heat, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. I'm going to add my onion. So I'm just going to cook them until they are softened. After 6 minutes, this is how my onion is looking. So now I'm going to add my garlic and I'm just going to saute this for another minute. After a minute, go ahead and turn off the heat and let this cool. Now in a large bowl, I am going to add my cream cheese, mayo, sour cream, mozzarella cheese, white cheddar. Now we're going to give this a good mix. Now after mixing our cheese, we're going to add our onion, artichokes, and our spinach. I am going to season it with some Italian seasoning, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Now give this a good mix and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. After giving this a good mix, we are going to transfer it into our cast iron. Now I am going to grab my grated parmesan cheese and I'm just going to sprinkle that on top. Now take my shredded mozzarella cheese and I'm going to sprinkle that. So now I'm going to stick this in the oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown. Hello guys, so my spinach artichoke dip is ready. Take a look. Doesn't it look amazing? It is delicious, guys. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.